Hello, this is Dr. Bisanga. I want to welcome you to the BHR Academy. BHR will be hosting a hair transplant training that will take place in the beautiful city of Athens. We want to make sure that people get the most of it during the training. We'll cover every topic, but we want training to be hands-on. So we have arranged a day of cadaver learning, a day of surgery where you'll be able to punch graft, place graft, make incisions, all that in a supervised environment. So BHR Academy will take place 1st to 3rd of June in Athens. In addition, for those who can bring their own patient, after the 3 days, they can perform the surgery on their patient under the supervision of our team and our doctors. This is a unique opportunity for you to learn under supervision, and if you bring along your own patient, you'll be able to perform a full surgery under supervision. So take note of June 1st to June 3rd in Athens, Greece.